12:09 on this Thursday, January the 8th. We're happy to see some school buses running in some of the outer districts. And in Timmins, they're still canceled due to the size of the snowbanks. And the Timmins City CAO mentioned in TimminsCity.com yesterday, it could take over a month to clean up the size of the snowbanks in the city of Timmins. So we appreciate the update. But given the fact that the temperatures are creeping up to and above the freezing mark, this is what we need. Let's melt the snow now and give us some bare pavement and shrink the size of these snowbanks. City Hall webcam at 11:20 a.m. Beautiful day. Good visibility overhead on the western horizon. But the Timmins Airport was reporting light snow from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is the second round of a 6-hour weather update. We may not see the snow falling in Timmins itself, but the airport does. They have instruments that can see the precip, and when they go up on the roof, if they see even 2 or 3 little snowflakes, that has to get sent to Environment Canada. Cap Cascasing, 0 degrees. You had a good summer breeze there, Cap. 30 kilometers an hour for the 10 o'clock hour due south. That's incredible. Moosonee, 9 miles visibility, low overcast, 2,000 some feet, -1. You're in good shape. Earlton had light snow all morning, light freezing rain from 5:52 to 6:18. Became light rain at that point. 6:19, it changed back to freezing rain. 6:37, back to light rain. 6:39, light rain, light snow mix. 6:45 to 7:09, it was light snow. After that, it was overcast. That's what's going on with your 6-hour weather review. I'll catch up the 12 to 3 o'clock conditions a little bit later on. Now, the special weather statement is in these yellow boxes right here. I look after Moosonee, Kapuskasing, Hearst, Timmins, Cochrane, and Earlton. I try my best to keep Earlton there because most people travel that way anyways. The Environment Canada text for the special weather statement doesn't specify like it used to in the old days where the storm is coming from, whether an event is being produced from, which track it's taking, how long it's taking to get here. They do that sometimes with thunderstorms, but I'm looking at this weather underground map. Low pressure number 1 over Manitoba, number 2 over Minneapolis, Minnesota, number 3 Oklahoma. This is a wall of 3 lows producing an incredible surge of winds from the south, helped out with 3 ridges of high pressure over New York State. Which can we guess is going to affect us? We'll take a look at that in just a moment. But first, low number 1, low number 2, low number 3. Look at that wide, powerful counterclockwise rotation. Winds from the south ahead of the lows, as always, and 2 ridges of high pressure producing clockwise lows or clockwise wind flow, bringing us to winds from the south behind the high. So counterclockwise lows here, clockwise highs over here, and there's your wind shift from the south all the way down from the Gulf of Mexico. Look at that. That's why it's wonderfully warm on the day like today. Look at the satellite picture, the first low over Manitoba, Northern Ontario. That'll sweep by our region. You might get some active weather west of our viewing area, but it looks like the low from Iowa or from the U.S. Midwest near Missouri, it looks like this will be the weather maker, and we're watching it get organized and continuously move towards the Great Lakes, and I'm wondering if this is going to be the jackpot weather maker for tonight into tomorrow. Again, 10 millimeters plus rainfall mixed with 10 centimeters of snow. The temperatures warm up, then they'll cool down. Watch out. Here are the observations now.